Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete your Gmail account. So before deleting your Gmail account, I need to note that your account will be deleted permanently, and you cannot sign in to this email address again anymore. So firstly, open Gmail on your device. Then you need to click your icon in your upper right corner, and here you need to click Manage Your Account. Then you need to enter Data and Privacy, and then scroll until you see section More Options, and here you have Delete Your Google Account. We need to press it, and here you need to verify your identity by entering the password. Let me enter my password. Okay, when you entered your password, you need to click Next button. Then you need to read this information, and if you really want to delete your Google account, click Delete Account button. But before that, you need to mark these two sections that we confirm that we want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data, and then click Delete Account button. So that's how you delete your Google account. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.